Hello, in this video we will take two CAT level questions and the purpose is to tell you how easily they could be solved using distance is equal to speed into time. Then in the next video we will take an actual CAT question as well. So just pause and go through the question once and then we will proceed. Okay, so a goods train leaves a station at a certain time at a fixed speed. So we have a station from where goods train is leaving, and after 6 hours an express train leaves the same station. So after 6 hours an express train leaves, and in those 6 hours this goods train must have reached till this point. Okay, it must have covered some distance in 6 hours. Now this express train catches the goods train in 4 hours. So in next 4 hours the goods train will again cover some distance, and at this point B this express train catches the goods train. So we have goods train and express train both here. Okay, and speed of express train is given to us as 90 km/h. Now at this point of meeting B, distance travelled by the goods train will be equal to distance travelled by the express train, as they both have same starting point and they both have same meeting point. Of course they will meet at the same point only. So they both cover a distance of AB in order to meet here at B. So we can say distance travelled by goods train in 10 hours. Okay, goods train took 10 hours to reach from A to B. This distance will be equal to distance travelled by express train in 4 hours. Okay, so distance is what? Speed of goods train into time will be equal to speed of express train is given as 90 into time, and speed of goods train will come out to be 36 km/h. See how easily a CAT level question can be solved. No extra knowledge is required, only distance is equal to speed into time. Now if you are thinking that this is not CAT level, wait till you watch the next video. Till then, moving on to the next question. Just go through it once. Okay, Varun goes to school at 10 km/h. He goes slow, he reaches late. He goes fast at a speed of 12, he reaches 9 minutes early. We have to find distance of his school from his house, which we have taken as D. Let's say the time at which school starts is 9 a.m. Okay. Now when he reaches 6 minutes late, he reaches at 9:06. And when he reaches 9 minutes earlier, he reaches at 8:51. Okay, and this difference, time difference between the time when he reaches late and the time when he reaches early is what? This is 9 minutes plus 6 minutes, 15 minutes, right? So time when he reaches late minus time in clock when he reaches early. The difference in these two timings is what? 15 minutes. Now if the distance is D, then we can say time is D upon speed when he reaches late is 10 minus distance upon speed when he reaches early is 12 is equal to 15 upon 60, because speed is in km/h, we will convert this minutes into hour. Okay, solve this equation and you will get distance is equal to 15 kilometers. This is the final answer. So throughout this topic we will try to convert questions into logical equations, and then we will substitute values using distance is equal to speed into time. Thank you.